Hey guys, welcome back for another video. And so for today's vlog, I'll be featuring another credit card with you, which is from East West Bank. Okay, so before you proceed this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more updates, just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, TikTok, and Laika at RayRayNatics. And then again, if you don't like my contents like this, then definitely just exit this video and find another content creator that is favorable for you, to avoid receiving some negative comments dyan. At kung gusto nyo pa rin ako bigyan ng negative comments, I would say you're just wasting your time. Okay? So yeah, I'm pretty much excited right now. And I'm sorry guys if medyo haggard ako ngayon kasi kakauwi ko lang from Hawaii. And ayun, sobrang excited ko ngang unbox sa harapan ninyo, which is ito na, yung credit card ko from East West. So yeah, actually guys, meron akong existing na credit card with them, which is yung yung East West JCB Platinum. Yun yung meron ako sa kanila. Wait lang, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung East West. Oh sorry, maybe it's here in my wait lang, ito, sorry, ito, kagagamit ko lang kasi ito sa dun sa lounge access ko so yan, meron akong East West JCB na Platinum, JCB Platinum siya. Ayan, wait lang, paano ko ba pakita yung logo? Wait lang, ayan siya, JCB. So ito yung credit card ko sa East West. And then now, what I have here is the East West East West Platinum Mastercard. So yeah, so basically this is going to be another credit card from East West na iba yung kanyang features kasi ito kasi right now, I have my East West JCB Platinum. So kung gusto nyo panoorin kung paano ko to nakuha, hanapin nyo na lang dito sa YouTube channel ko. It's one of my contents here. So right now, I'll be talking to you the new credit card that I have here, which is yung East West Platinum. So ang nagpa-deliver nito ay Airspeed. Ayan, Airspeed. So basically, the plan was dapat ipapa-ship ko siya dun sa Hawaii mismo. Pero kasi I realized na na it's too late na. And then aantayin ko na lang yung opportunity by kunin ko na lang dito sa bahay ko dito sa sa Pilipinas. So yeah, I got it na. So ayan. Malalaman nyo naman guys na kung nasaan ako. Kung ganito yung background ko, ibig sabihin na sa Pilipinas ako. Pag iba naman yung background ko, like yung nasa dark room, kumbaga, yun nasa Hawaii ako. So definitely nasa Pilipinas ako right now. So yan, sorry, ang dami kong chit chat. So yeah, this is my East West Platinum Mastercard. So let's start unboxing. So oh my gosh, this is so agonizing. Sorry guys, because basically when you get this East West Platinum Mastercard, pinaka minimum na credit limit neto is at least 300,000 pesos. So take note nyo yun kung gusto nyong mag-avail ng East West Platinum Mastercard. Ang pinaka minimum na credit limit is 300,000 pesos. So yeah, basically ko na siya, natanggal ko na yung plastic nito. So I'll try to remove this part. So wait lang guys wala kasi yung gunting right now so I'll try my best na Yan. Na ko na siya dito, sorry. Ayan, na open ko na siya dito. And then what's inside here? First things first, I have my I have my virtual card. Okay, may pa virtual card. So, I have my virtual card here. So, ano ba yung ano nito? Yeah, it is the virtual card. So, ano bang ano dito? So, maganda to gamitin guys if kung gagamit kayo ng kung halimbawa mag-online shopping kayo, tapos kung gusto niyo gamitin yung credit card nyo, ito yung pinaka the best option para makaiwas sa mga scam yung mga ganyan. Kasi East West tries to minimize the sa mga ganong pangyayari, yung mga scam, yung mga ganyan. So ayan, mas magandang gamitin tong mga virtual cards. So yeah. So yan, added security, okay. And then improved transaction monitoring. And then yeah, that's pretty much it yung sa virtual card nito. But you can hindi niyo siya pwedeng gamitin sa mga doon sa mga physical na POS terminal. So ayan, hindi niyo siya pwede kasi ang purpose lang naman ito is for virtual. So okay, so yeah, this is the card. Sorry, hindi pa naman card. Ayan, yung nito, members guide na hindi natin usually binabasa, pero syempre kailangan natin basahin para maging aware tayo sa mga lahat ng mga ganitong bagay, kung ano yung mga features nito. So basically hindi ko na lang i-explain sa inyo yung mga features ng card nito, pero i-pause nyo na lang for a moment na para mabasa nyo. So yan, i-pause nyo na lang siya guys kung gusto nyo mabasa pa. Yan. Or punta na lang kayo sa website ng East West, tapos hanapin nyo dun yung East West Platinum Mastercard, yung features nito. So yeah. And then what else here is ito yung ito pa. Wait lang. Paano ko ba ito yan? Yan, ganito. Yan. Ayan. Kung nakikita ba. Ayan. I-pause nyo na lang siya guys kung gusto nyo mabasa. Pero na lang, i-explain ko na lang sa inyo yung ibang mga pinaka-highlight na features na pinaka-gusto ko. And also, yeah. Here it is. Okay. So basically, tinapatan nila yung credit limit ko dun sa JCB Platinum. So ang credit limit ko that I have with me is 373,000 pesos. So yan. And then so basically bago na yung nila, hindi na siya yung parang gawa siya sa yung parang i-emboss yung mga ganitong yung mga ganito, yan. Sorry. Na siya, printed na siya. Ayan, as you can see. So I'll just have to remove this. Wait lang. Wait lang guys. I-pause ko lang yung para wait lang. Okay, so ayan, natanggal ko na siya. So here's the card. Yan, East West Platinum Mastercard. Again, hindi na siya yung yung emboss. Lang siya, printed na siya. Pero for me, okay na rin siya para ayun. Yan siya. Oh my goodness, this is actually one of my dream credit card with ASUS. Oh my goodness, thank you so much ASUS. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So yan siya. Ano ba yung nagustuhan ko dito sa credit card na to? First of all, my favorite one is waive na po yung annual membership nito. So perpetually waive na siya. Like wala na akong kailangang bayaran pa. So yun yung maganda dito. And pangalawa is that meron din siyang priority pass membership. So papakita ko siya sa inyo kung ano yung itsura. So ito yon. Pero hindi pa naman ito yung galing sa East West. Ano lang to, this is just a sample. I just had this from my other credit cards na meron ako. So this is the priority pass that I have. Pero I have to wait for mga ilang araw pa galing sa East West mismo. So, yan. And then, meron kang free comprehensive travel accident and inconvenience insurance up to 20 million pesos. So, di ba? May ano ka pa, insurance ka kapag may masama nangyari sa'yo during your travel and all that. So, ayun. Tapos, meron din silang yung premium perks and MasterCard priceless experience. That's good. And then, meron din silang MasterCard concierge service. Okay. And then, free virtual credit card. So, yan. Yun yung gusto ko dito. Kasi, syempre, kailangan natin nowadays. Lalo na kapag gagamitin natin yung credit card for online shopping and all that. This is really safe. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano yung nito, yung pinataw dito para dito sa card na to. Pero I believe it would be like 30 to 50%. I'm not so sure. I'll just figure it out later na lang. So, ayan. And then, Platinum Rewards. So, you'll earn one Platinum Rewards point for every 40 pesos spent. So, I think that's great na rin for me. I have no problems at all when it comes to like points to earning points to ratio, yung mga ganung bagay. I don't know kung tama yung term ko, but correct me if I'm wrong. So, yeah. And then, yun yung mga nagustuhan ko dito sa credit card na to sa East West. Like, oh my God. Thank you so much, East West, for earning my trust with you. Tama nga naman sinabi ko. Kasi syempre, dream credit card ko nga to eh. So, ayan. Yung yung East West JCB that I have with me. Wait lang. Ito, yung East West JCB Platinum. I'm not so sure if ko na siya, hindi naman siya ipapakat, pero parang i-consolidate ko na lang siya into one credit card. So, bali, ang gagawin ko na lang, itong East West Platinum Mastercard na yung pinaka magagamit ko. Kasi, lately, hindi ko kasi masyado nagamit yung East West JCB Platinum ko eh. Kasi, nung nasa Hawaii ako, nagbago yung kanilang tawag dito. Kasi kinakailangan daw for tourist daw. Yung pinaka-tourist mismo. Eh kasi sa case ko naman, residente kasi ako ng Hawaii. Kaya, ayun, hindi ako pwedeng mag-access dun sa JCB Plaza Lounge. Although that I still have my JCB credit card with me. Pero, pag-iisipan ko lang muna na mabuti yan. So, ayan. Pero hindi ko pa naman na-ask tungkol sa dun sa free ride dun sa tour bus nila dun sa Ala Moana, dun sa mismo sa Hawaii. So, I'll have to I'll have to figure it out muna. So, yeah, I don't know if my video is good already, but if you have any questions, just leave the comment section below, but please don't leave the negative comments, kasi gaya nga sabi ko, kung ayaw nyo, exit nyo na lang. So yeah, sorry guys kung medyo kung medyo tawag dito, haggard ako, tapos medyo nahihirapan ako magsalita kasi napagod din ako. Pero kasi syempre, I just wanted to give an opportunity para may pakita ko sa inyo yung mga credit cards na meron ako right now. So ayan, this is the East West Platinum Mastercard. So thank you again, East West. Oh my God. Bale, antayin ko pa dumating yung yung priority pass membership ko with them. So if possible, I might gonna do a video of that as well. But if not, it is what it is na lang. We'll see na lang. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please do follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, and TikTok at RayRaynatics. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Then peace.